We are back out here at the lake, and this is the part 2 of the water snake video. This is a plain-bellied water snake. We're out here at the lake, and I caught this guy. Here in a second, he's going to bite me, and I've slowed the bites down so you can see him in slow motion. Watch him get me on the hand and the upper forearm here in 1 second. When I reach for him, he's going to get defensive right here. And he followed through and also got my upper forearm in that. You'll see it leaking in a minute. These guys are a very, very common species for this part of the state, and they're found pretty much all over the state of Oklahoma. And these guys a lot of times get mistaken for cottonmouths because they're by the water, and also they flatten their heads out. Uh-oh, watch this. I think he's gonna try and bite me again. Once again, that is in slow motion. These guys are really bitey and thrashy when they're caught because they want to escape any predators that would try to eat them. And here you can look at his head and see how they flatten their head out kind of like a triangle. And so a lot of people, unfortunately, think they're venomous cottonmouths, and they are not. They're a very, very prolific snake in the state of Oklahoma. They can live and hibernate and exist just about anywhere. And once again, they do flatten out their heads and puff up their bodies when they feel threatened. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that. I'm going to release this little guy on his way. I shouldn't call him a little guy. He's a full-grown 3-foot adult, easily. And, whoa, there he goes again. Guys, hit subscribe on the way out if you haven't, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you like this or didn't. Thanks for watching.